So, dito guys, affidavit for delayed registration of marriage. Pwede nyo siya isabay pag hindi pa kayo nakasend ng report of marriage nyo sa Pilipinas. Pag mag-send kayo ng report of birth ng anak nyo, pwede nyo to isabay, okay? So, yung name mo, or ikaw bilang asawa, name as example, my name is Shwesta Canteri Smith, ilagay mo dyan, both of legal age, tapos, and with this residence and postal address nyo dito sa US, and after having a duly sworn to in accordance with law, do hereby depose and say that we are the applicant for the delayed registration of marriage of pangalan ng husband mo, and full name of wife. Pwede dito, yung ilagay mo yung last name na ng asawa mo ha dito. Dito, pwede mo ilagay mo dito yung maiden name mo, yung dalaga ka pa. Tsaka dito yung last name na ng married name mo. That we married on the date ng kinasal kayo. A place of marriage, makikita mo to sa marriage certificate nyo. Kung saan kayo kinasal, at kung kailan kayo ikinasal, okay? So, the time of marriage, kung ikaw ay Filipino citizens or hindi pa, okay? And then, the reason for the delay in registering of marriage was due to COVID, ilagay mo dyan, or lack of knowledge, supporting documents. So, lagay mo lang yung reason mo kung bakit na-delayed yung pag-register ng marriage nyo, okay? So, everyone has their own reason. So, put your own reason here kung bakit na-delayed ka magpa-register ng marriage certificate nyo. Yung registration of marriage nyo sa Pinas, okay? And then dito, pangalan ng asawa, tsaka pangalan ng babae. Husband and wife. Bago kayo mag-sign guys, tips to kailangan para hindi kayo pabalik-balik sa bangko, pwede nyo ilagay yung name nyo dito, pero huwag kayo magperma hanggat hindi pa nakaperma ang pag-notarize nito, okay? Pagpunta nyo dun sa bangko, magpeperma kayo dito sa harap mismo ng mag-notarize. Kasi kailangan nila ng witness yan, okay? So, yan lang yung affidavit for delayed registration of marriage. Basic lang, okay?